How to do a Sendit on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can do a Sendit on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically do a Sendit on Snapchat, all you have to do is just download the Sendit application from your Play Store or your App Store. Open the Sendit app and first you have to log into your Sendit account. So just make sure to enter your age by the way here. Once you enter your age, tap on the Let's Go button, and if you're logged in on Snapchat it says you're connected to Sendit, so I'll just tap on the Continue button here, and as I've done that I'll be able to open up the Sendit application over here. Now once I've done this, I can simply choose the games that I like over here. So I can say this one particularly, I can select Ask Me Anything depending upon what I want here. I can do that, then I can tap on Share, and I can simply share them directly to my Snapchat friends and so on by simply going ahead and then recording it, and then they'll be able to go ahead and then basically click on that Sendit link. And that's all it takes to do a Sendit on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.